Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we are exploring the world of power tools with EINHELL, a German brand well known for its innovations and range of robust products. EINHELL has built a solid reputation by providing quality tools that meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Today, we are going to discover one of their products, the TP-RO Cordless Router. This highly anticipated product is part of EINHELL's new professional range, designed to offer enhanced performance and durability. If you are interested in this product, don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Now let's move on to the aesthetics and design of this product. The TP-RO stands out with its sleek industrial design, created in collaboration with the German studio Duo Design. There is little information available about this studio. Aside from their presence on Instagram, it is clear that they have paid special attention to the appearance of this tool. The router is primarily constructed of aluminum, which gives it increased robustness and durability compared to the model. With a plastic casing, this feature is particularly advantageous for those looking for a tool capable of withstanding heavy use. The router comes in a convenient carrying case that makes it easy to store the tool and its accessories. In terms of weight, the device is well balanced. The base of the Apple router is compact and round, which makes it easy to use along stop guides. This smart design ensures easy handling, even during difficult tasks. Regarding the main features, the TP-RO is a wireless set consisting of 3 essential pieces: a plunge router, an Apple router, and the motor unit. The brushless motor is a key component of this tool, offering superior energy efficiency and extended lifespan. It comes with a limited 10-year warranty on the motor, which reflects their confidence in its durability. The rotation speed is variable, ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, allowing the tool to be adapted to various materials and applications. The available chucks are 6 and 8 mm, offering compatibility with a wide range of bits. This tool is part of EINHELL's power exchange platform, operating with an 18V battery that is compatible with other tools in the same range, thus simplifying battery management for users. Now let's move on to the practical use of this router. The EINHELL TP-RO is equipped with numerous features designed to make the user experience as smooth as possible. The soft start function is a valuable safety feature, preventing abrupt starts that could disrupt the precision of your work. The tool also includes a dust extraction system on its 2 bases, although the small size of the opening may not capture all particles effectively in certain working conditions. In the event of a current overload, the motor is designed to automatically shut off, thereby preserving the tool's longevity and ensuring user safety. The plunge router base is equipped with a quick depth adjustment, allowing for repetitive cuts with consistent precision. When it comes to handling the tool, users will appreciate the device's relative lightness, which allows for longer work periods without excessive fatigue. Whether you're making delicate chamfers on softwood or tackling harder materials like oak, this tool offers versatility that meets a variety of woodworking needs. Let's now compare this tool to other products available on the market. Compared to routers from brands like Ryobi or AEG, the aluminum construction of the EINHELL router offers increased durability, which is a strong point for those looking for a tool capable of withstanding heavy use. The 10-year warranty on the brushless motor is a notable advantage that sets the EINHELL apart from its competitors. However, some users may find that the power of the integrated LEDs is lower than that of other similar tools. This could affect visibility in dusty or poorly lit work environments. In conclusion, the EINHELL TP-RO is a valuable addition for any user looking for a high-performing and durable cordless router. With its numerous features and robust design, it meets the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. If you want to learn more about this product, feel free to check the link in the description. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this tool, so leave your comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Ciao ciao.